Advanced manufacturing is like a blend of architecture, technology, and software development. It's where you combine like circuits, machinery, and like designing said circuits and machinery so that it can later be produced on a mass scale.
In the advanced manufacturing program, I've been able to create 3D models based on a CAD software, which allows me to focus on my field of study around engineering and modeling.
In this program, you get to learn how to use blueprints and drawings, and then you also get to develop your skills in industry software programs, as well as developing your skills in teamwork.
In advanced manufacturing, some of the projects that we have done is we will look at architecture and we will then describe things that we found in it and how that can apply to our products that we are trying to manufacture.
We have a robot arm that we have to program to pick things up and move, and it is part of an assembly line, and it shows how one might be set up.
If you're interested in science or math or anything the engineering, this would be a really good program for you because you get to learn a lot about engineering and design and manufacturing.
In the manufacturing program, we use our ePortfolio to give us a good base for future careers, like we put our certifications in and we put our knowledge based on all the activities and things we've learned.
Some of the fields that you can get into for advanced manufacturing is product designer, electrical engineer, and mechanical engineer.
Some of the careers you get into from this program is aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, something in manufacturing, and so many more options.
The skills I've been able to develop in this program are identifying multi-view drawings, identifying the process and function of a CNC machine.
Some of the skills that I've developed in this program consist of a lot of teamwork and helping people understand what to do if they don't understand themselves. And another one is creativity, because certain programs require you to be able to think on your feet and be able to come up with solutions.
In this program, you can get several certifications, one being SOLIDWORKS, which is a 3D CAD modeling software where you can make 3D models, and another is OSHA 10, which is a safety certification for the workplace.
You also get your Microsoft PowerPoint certification, which will help you design PowerPoints in order to market your design.
I like this program because it makes me think in certain ways that I wouldn't have thought of originally.
I love this program because it has helped me learn a lot about engineering and manufacturing and what career I could go into afterwards.
If you find yourself interested in advanced manufacturing, go for it. It is so fun. You can find anything you want, from electrical all the way to product developer. It is just so broad. You can find anything you want in it.